using the Journey Forward. And Sandra, what are you using?
We're using Journey Forward here at St. Anthony's as well.
You are, okay. And so we want to standardize, but we also want to look at, you know, the different things that are out there. And the Survivor Plan really was the first thing that I've seen that I thought was the most complete, most user-friendly, most understandable from a patient perspective. And also I liked that it interacted with Cerner, which we have, and we also have Saurian. So we were hoping that, that this would be a solution for us.
So all 4 of your hospitals are on Cerner?
Our whole system is on Cerner, yes.
Oh, terrific. Okay. Well, I'll just give you a thumbnail sketch of what our experience has been. First of all, we did 2 years of due diligence looking nationally at different companies that were developing or had developed software programs for survivorship care. And hands down, there was no other company that we really felt had a product on the market that would handle the scope of services we wanted to deliver in our survivorship program. I think many of them were more tailored towards navigation or kind of this concept of checking the box and giving you your survivorship care plan, and we've fulfilled that criteria, and good luck. So when I met Elaine and her team, it was clear to me that, you know, she was a person who can think outside the box, was very collaborative, and very knowledgeable given her experience that she had had at Emory with the transplant service. And as you all know, transplant medical services are probably a model very similar to oncology, where you really have a lot of multi-specialty collaboration. And so I thought that was a good groundwork for her to be able to work with us with our oncology population and all the specialties. It has been a very fruitful courtship and collaborative effort that we've had, and she has been on point and very responsive to all of our needs. We have been very happy with the product she's helped us to build. And we also wanted to make sure that we had a standardized instrument, but most importantly, something that could be edited in real time and at the point of care. Many of these other survivorship softwares are, you know, very static documents and not dynamic documents. And because of where we wanted survivorship to be in terms of more of a long-term ongoing healthcare document, we needed something dynamic. And the fact that we were able to truly customize, we wanted it to be comprehensive but relevant to the patient. And many of these other documents were just kind of generic, very general statements that I personally did not feel was helpful. And if I was a breast cancer survivor, I would think a lot of that didn't apply to me. So the fact that we're able to customize this and update it with ongoing randomized clinical trial outcomes to stay at the cutting edge of treatment recommendations was absolutely critical to us. So it's truly been a game changer in terms of delivering very customized and tailored survivorship care plans to the patients. And inevitably, everyone that has come through that program, I get very positive feedback from the patients that this was a very worthwhile clinic for them to engage with. And many times they have said, you know, I came here kind of reluctantly because I thought, what are they going to offer me? And now I'm so glad I came because this is truly a game changer for them in terms of, you know, really giving them a roadmap to recovery with these documents and the ongoing clinical care that the APPs provide to the patients. In terms of, are there any questions regarding, you know, kind of the formatting or anything, or the unique functionality in that you can edit it at the point of care? Any questions about that? I'm sure Roz covered it in detail.